Good morning. My name is Aristoteles Espinosa. I study uh, business administration. I think, I think that the consequence that technology has brought on the environment have been balanced negatively as well as positively. In recent times, some observers begin to identify harmful aspects, such as air pollution that come from thermal power plants, destruction of forests and forests, pesticides that threaten the food chain, mineral waste used by industry that polluted the rivers. Positively, green technology is helping a lot to change a situation that is being difficult for the natural environment. Through digital transformation, companies reduce the usage of paper thanks to clouds where company information is stored. Electric vehicles, houses and smart buildings are being manufactured. Renewable energy is being used to have a wider environment control. The environment has been affected by the climate change that is occurring worldwide. These changes affect essential processes of many organisms. Ecosystems at risk of disappearance and the proliferation of species. Technology is advancing day by day in an impressive way. These technologies and scenarios seem science fiction. To drag up these scenarios, they have consulted experts from around the world and consensus has been drawn upon what technologies are more likely to emerge in the coming years, at what time they will erupt in society, and what social impact can be expected from them. I believe that there are expected to be a number of technologies that will be classified according to specialties and period of time that will be being with society. Most likely, developing countries in 26 years will consolidate nuclear fusion energy, probably a space elevator and much more. In another sense, will be the external technological development that appeals to its implementation, usage and consumption, but including the citizen of the community that encompass social, sociological, economic, cultural, social, and demographic factors. I invite you to become aware to take care of your environment by performance good practice. Thank you.